We have to find Andy. Where is Andy now?
呢度所有嘢都好大啊
They're huge.
不如我哋問下啲植物朋友，睇下佢哋知唔知安仔去咗邊呢？
Oh, hello, plant.
你好啊，安仔嘅新玩具，你哋嚟得啱啦！呢度就係安仔嘅後花園，我哋成日都歡迎新朋友嚟玩㗎。但係你又知唔知道我哋係邊個呢？
我嘅知啦，你哋咪就係青竹、象草同埋多鬚草咯。
算你識貨啦！我哋又高又瘦又長，你哋一路行，我哋就一路高。望住你哋就好似望住啲真人公仔咁。
Oh, right. I can see when we come closer to the land, we get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller.
You must be the new toys. I'm Sheriff Woody, and the only rule around here, have a great time.
Look, Woody is welcoming us. Everything here is big. Ooh, wow. They're enormous. Here's another plant that can help us find Andy. Hi, plant. We're looking for Andy. Have you seen him?
I'm a plant, but I'm not called a plant. Do you know what's my name?
Yep, you are the Peru lily and mondo grass. Oh, and I see you have a bunch of friends here.
Haha, yes. We are like a dense, thick clump.
Friend， 睇下呢度啲小花好靚啊，一齊睇下啦。
They're called the yellow wild iris.
哦，優美。
Look, is it foam? It looks like foam.
唔係啊，樹嚟㗎。
It's foam from Andy's toy car.
都話唔係咯，係樹啊。
Foam!
樹啊。Friend， 呢啲數字係代表咩㗎？
It's 21696. February 16, 1996 is the launch date of the first Toy Story movie in Hong Kong. You don't remember? You got a friend in me. Yeah! You got
Andy's coming! Everyone
Andy's
back
coming.
to your place!